Alam mo ba na nagpakilala ang Diyos kay Moses in Exodus 3:14? Ang sabi niya doon, I am who I am. Hindi niya sinabing, I have exactly what you need, but He is saying, I am what you need. Na kapag feeling mo you are lost, ang sasabihin niya, I am the way. Pag feeling mo empty ka, ang sasabihin niya, I am your provider. Pag may sakit ka, I am your healer. At kapag may pinagdadaanan ka, I am always with you. Walang kondisyon yun. Hindi yan sinabing, andyan lang ako sa'yo pag nagpipray ka. And when you are afraid, ang sasabihin ng Diyos, I am your peace. Kaya kung ano yung eksaktong pangangailangan mo sa bawat sitwasyon, sa bawat panahon, He is the great I am. Kaya if the great I am is with you, you have everything that you need. So it's not about who I am. It is now about who is the great I am. Kaya kung may matindi kang pinagdadaanan ngayon, or kung ano man yung eksaktong pangangailangan mo, tandaan mo, He is the great I am. What exactly you need right now? He is the God who says, I am who you say I am.